So good day, I am Lester B. Cusile of Bscs 3ADM, and this is my codes in Kmeans clustering using datasets. So of course, in the first code, we will be importing the libraries which are the numpy as MP and the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and we will call the datasets which is the skylearn.datasets, and we will be importing make blobs. So second, we will be generating the datasets, of course, to make it cluster in K-means. So dataset, we will be calling a dataset is equal to make blobs n samples. So there is a 200 samples of datasets and a centers of 4 and features of 2 and cluster standard deviation of 1.6 and random state. Next is we will be getting the points of the dataset. So points is equal to dataset is equal to 0. And next, importing the k-means. From skylearn.cluster, we will be importing the k-means. We will be declaring the k-means. And then next, creating k-means objects. So creating k-means objects, so we will be calling the k-means is equal to k-means, which we import on the upper side, is equal to n cluster is equal to 4. So we will be in this we will be clustering a 4 datas and 4 centroids. So next is fitting the k-means object to the dataset. So of course we will be fitting the k-means of to the dataset. So k-means is equal to fit points. And then next we will be plotting the datasets. PLT that is scatter dataset is 0, 0 to 0, and the other dataset is 0 to 1. So this is now the graph or the scatter plot of the dataset. And then next we'll be performing the clustering. So in this we'll be performing the clustering. So clusters is equal to k-means dot cluster centers. So we declared the center here to get the centers of the clustered dataset, and then printing the cluster. So we have four data we have four clusters here. So the negative 5.56, 2.40, 0.1, 0.05, negative 1.9, negative 2.34, 10.17, negative 5.35, and 5.21. And then next, we will be fitting to predict the points. So ykm, we will be declaring again a variable which is ykm is equal to k-means that fit and predict points. So after that, we will be printing the clusters and its centroids. So of course, we will get the scatter plot, which is the PLT that scatter points y km is equal to 0 and 0. So isa lang naman yung code dito. So ang inibahan lang natin dito ay yung kanyang numbers. So 0 and 0, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, and 0 1, 1 1, 2 1, 3 1. So the size will be getting the size, we will be giving the size of 50, and the color of yellow, red, blue, and cyan. So as you can see in the plotted graph below, we see the blue, which is the second one, the 2 0 and 2 1, and the yellow, which is the first one, 0 0 and 0 and 1, and the cyan, which is the 3 0 and 3 1, and the red, of course, the second one, the 1 0 and 1 1. And in getting the centroids of each cluster, so we will be scatter, or we will be plotting on a scatter plot in their centers. So of course we will be plt dot scatter, um, the clusters is We just copy the value of the ykm, and 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 we will be giving the marker as the asterisk. And of course we can still change the asterisk like this. We'll be changing it on a dot and run it. Ayaw pala ng dot. Dapat lang ano, dapat ganun lang. Sorry. Ayaw ng dot. And the color is black and the size is 50. And that's all. Thank you.